Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit shadow dancing video with CapCut mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut. Before you open up your CapCut application, make sure you have prepared your shadow dancing video guys, and then you can import your video to CapCut. Okay, here I have imported my shadow dancing video, and now it's time to edit this video. Okay, I'm going to add music or song to this project, so I'm going to click on add audio, and then we're going to select sounds, and we can add song from our device or add song from CapCut. And for me, I'm just going to use song or music from the CapCut library. For example, I'm just going to choose this classical category, and you can choose the best song for your shadow dancing video. And I'm just going to add this one guys. Before you add the song to your project, make sure you have downloaded the song, and you need to have good internet connection to download the music if you want to use audio from CapCut. Okay, now the music has been added to this project, and then I'm going to apply velocity effect to this video. So we can click on our video and then select the effects menu, and we need to go to the style and choose velocity. And I'm just going to apply this flash velocity because it's free. Okay, and then the music will be detected by CapCut, and this effect will be applied to our video. We just need to wait for a moment. It's still loading guys. We need to wait until 100%. Alright, now it's done. The velocity effect has been applied to my video, and then I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, and then once you're ready to save it guys, you can click on the export menu, but before it you can choose the resolution and then select export, and the video will be saved to your device, and you will be able to share it to your social media. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit shadow dancing video using CapCut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!